Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to purchase a domain name and hosting plan from GoDaddy. You can simply search for GoDaddy on Google search engine, and in the Google search engine result page just click for the GoDaddy search result, which you will see in the first position, right? Might be if ads are not running, Google ads are not running, right? So you can simply visit godaddy.com and you can sign in your GoDaddy account from here. If you have created a GoDaddy account, then it's good, else you can create it, right? I have mentioned the GoDaddy link in my video description, right? So here you just simply need to search for a domain name. For example, I want to purchase a domain name with this name. Okay, so here the domain name is available if it has been bought by somebody else, like this one. Then I am not able to purchase this domain name because someone have already bought this domain, right? Then GoDaddy is showing that they charge this 16,999 bucks for a brokerage fees to discuss with the owner whether he or she is interested in selling you the domain and gets the deal done, right? Then only they are going to charge this brokerage fees, right? Apart from it, if it might also happen like you search for a domain name and that domain name is very much costlier because it is a premium domain name, so that's why like it cost around 13 lakh and 94,036 bucks, right? Why so? Because this keyword is having high search volume on search engines, right? So like GoDaddy also knows that people are searching for these keywords, and if anybody purchases this domain and becomes the owner of this domain and builds a website on this domain, then automatically he or she is going to rank on the Google or other search engines, right? And people are going to visit this website use because people are searching for this keyword already. So this is a premium domain, right? So let me search for another domain name, right? So this domain name is available. For example, I'm going to purchase this domain name, then simply I will click on this and let's look at cart. Okay, so the domain name is costing me around 999 bucks for a year, right? If I go with the 3-year plan, then might be this domain name is going to cost me like on and around you can say for 2000 bucks, right? Because for the first year I would be charged $1 only, right? If you are having a new GoDaddy account, right? But let me tell you one more thing, as we are also planning to buy a hosting plan because we cannot build a website just with domain name. We need to store our data, we need to store images, videos and text while creating a website, right? So that for that case we need a storage, which is a hosting plan, right? Which is a CPU. So I'm going to click over here and hosting and web hosting. If I talk about the hosting plan, then also they are of two types: standard performance hosting plan and high performance hosting plans, right? In a standard performance hosting plan also we are getting 4 kind of plans in front of us, right? If I talk about this hosting plan, then this hosting plan doesn't have free domain name, free email for the 1 month, and not also the free SSL certificate. Whereas in the second hosting plan we are getting free domain for 1 year term, free email, professional email for 1 month, and free SSL certificate for 1 year only, right? But if I talk about this hosting plan, we are getting free domain name for 1 year and free email for again 1 month, but this time we are getting unlimited SSL, means we are getting SSL certificates for all those 10 websites for free for lifetime of this hosting plan, right? This hosting plan have inbuilt SSL certificate, right? And if I talk about this, again, free domain name for the 1 year and free professional email for the 1 month and unlimited SSL certificate. If I talk about the storage, in this hosting plan, we are going to get 10 GB of storage, 25 GB, 50 GB, and 75 GB, right? This plan can connect with a single domain name and you can build a single website using this hosting plan. Whereas in this plan, also, you can build a single website, right? It only connects with a single domain name, whereas this particular hosting plan, you can connect 10 domain names with this single hosting plan and you can build 10 websites, whereas in this you can connect 25 domain names and you can build 25 websites, right? So if you are planning to build 2 or 3 websites, different websites for different businesses of yours, then I would suggest you to go with this plan, because you need not to purchase 3 hosting plans and 3 domain names. You can go for a single hosting plan and 3 domain names, right, to build 3 websites. So if I talk about the best recommended plan from my side among these plans, if you are starting a small website, you are having a small business and you just want to create a website of your business, then I would suggest you the web hosting deluxe plan. What are the reasons? This is, in this plan your website will load faster. Also, like, this is a cheaper hosting plan, right? Many times people ask me why this hosting plan is cheaper, right? Because if you purchase this hosting plan, then you need to purchase a domain name, SSL certificate, and a professional email domain separately, right? And when you will like add all 4 things together, then you would come to know that this plan is much costlier than these ones, right? So coming to the second hosting plan, it is cheaper for the first year in comparison to the web hosting deluxe plan, but from the second year onwards it would be much costlier than the third hosting plan. Why so? Because SSL certificate is free for 1 year only, right? And for the rest years you need to pay for the SSL certificate charges as well. And I guess if you are building a website, then you're not building a website for short term, you're building a website for a longer term, right? So if we consider the longer term for a website, then this plan suits the best, right? Apart from it, if you have good money in your pockets, then you can also go for the high performance plan. And here in the high performance plan, as you can see, plans are much costlier because it can connect with 50 websites, 100 websites, 150 websites, and 200 websites. And here 100 GB storage, 200 GB storage, 300 GB storage, and 400 GB storage. Here you are going to get 4 GB RAM and 2 virtual CPUs, and 8 GB RAM and 4 virtual CPUs, right? And 16 GB RAM and 8 virtual CPUs, and 32 GB RAM and 16 virtual CPUs, right? Rest all things are same. So going with the standard performance plans for the beginners, and I'm going to select this plan. And as soon as I add this plan in my cart, then automatically my domain name gets free, because this hosting plan includes a free domain name, right, as we have discussed it earlier, right? And these all prices are for 3 year terms, right? So if I go for the 12 months hosting plan, then automatically this price would be incurred to me. So we have added all these together, and now we need not to add the SSL certificate because this hosting plan comes with inbuilt SSL certificate, and that is free for lifetime of this hosting plan. So we just need to click on continue shopping, and we need to purchase this hosting plan using this hosting and domain name using our debit card, credit card, net banking, or UPI, whatever the payment method you want to choose. You can simply make the payment, and the domain name and hosting and SSL certificate and professional email domain, all four would be in your GoDaddy account after you make the purchase, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. And if you want to purchase the domain and hosting plan from GoDaddy, then also I have mentioned the GoDaddy link in my video description. You can simply visit the GoDaddy and purchase your domain and hosting plan, and have a good luck for your website. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.